Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, we're diving deep into the price action of ETHUSD, Ethereum, and we're going to be looking at both the current market news and the technical chart data. As we look at the daily chart, the first thing that jumps out is the recent price drop, which has pushed ETHUSD below the key support level of $1,600. This downward pressure is likely due to the recent news surrounding the Federal Reserve meeting, where concerns about tighter monetary policy sent shockwaves through the crypto market. It's also important to note that several articles mention spot ETFs experiencing significant outflows, potentially contributing to the decline in Ethereum's value. However, despite the recent drop, ETHUSD still holds above the long-term support level of $1,500. If ETHUSD manages to hold above this level, it could indicate potential for a rebound, particularly if the news surrounding the Federal Reserve meeting becomes less negative. Let's narrow down our view and take a closer look at the hourly chart. Here, we can see a more nuanced picture of the price action over the past few hours. We've witnessed a series of lower highs and lower lows, suggesting a continuation of the downtrend. The hourly chart also reveals a potential break below the $1,600 support level, reinforcing the bearish sentiment from the daily chart. However, it's crucial to remember that this is short-term price action and the overall trend might shift based on upcoming news and events. For example, a positive development in the Ethereum 2.0 rollout or a favorable outcome from the Federal Reserve meeting could easily reverse this downward pressure. To gain further insights, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart, focusing on the past few hours. This time frame allows us to observe how the recent news and events have impacted price movement in real time. We can see that the market experienced a significant decline after the announcement of the Federal Reserve meeting, with ETHUSD dropping below the $2,300 level. However, a slight rebound followed, suggesting that the market might be finding support around the $2,275 level. This price level could be a crucial indicator for short-term price action, as a break below could signal further downward pressure, while a break above could indicate a potential rebound. Looking back at the hourly chart, we can see that ETHUSD has traded in a relatively tight range for the past 24 hours. This consolidation phase could signal a potential breakout in either direction. If ETHUSD breaks above the resistance level of $1,700, it could signal a bullish reversal. However, if the price continues to decline and breaks below the support level of $1,500, it could signal a continuation of the downtrend. It's important to consider the news and events surrounding Ethereum, as these factors can significantly influence the price direction. For instance, a positive announcement regarding Ethereum 2.0 or a more optimistic outlook on the regulatory landscape could trigger a bullish breakout. On the other hand, negative news such as increased scrutiny from regulators or further issues with Ethereum scalability could lead to a sell-off. It's important to note that technical analysis alone cannot predict the future, and traders should always incorporate a balanced approach that considers both news and technical indicators. To summarize the key price levels we've discussed, ETHUSD currently faces resistance at $1,700 on the hourly chart, and a break above could signal a bullish breakout. On the daily chart, the long-term support level of $1,500 remains a crucial indicator, and a break below could signal a continuation of the downtrend. In the short term, the $2,275 level on the 15-minute chart is a key area to watch, as a break below could lead to further price declines. It's important to keep in mind that the market is dynamic and subject to change. The likelihood of these price predictions happening depends on a variety of factors, including upcoming news and events, sentiment within the market, and the overall economic climate. For instance, a positive development regarding Ethereum 2.0 could significantly boost bullish sentiment and increase the likelihood of ETHUSD breaking above resistance. Conversely, if the Federal Reserve announces a more aggressive monetary policy, it could strengthen bearish sentiment and increase the risk of ETHUSD breaking below support. As we move forward, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest news and events, and to regularly monitor the charts. Traders should also pay attention to other technical indicators, such as volume and momentum, to further enhance their understanding of market dynamics. Remember, successful trading requires a balanced approach that considers both technical analysis and market fundamentals. By staying informed and using a strategic approach, traders can increase their chances of making profitable decisions in the dynamic world of Ethereum.